Hi, this is Mark with Remarkable Reverse Mortgage. Welcome back to our video and story series. This one is entitled, "This is Too Good to Be True." Now that statement is a wonderful place to start. Over the years, at some point in the conversation, I've heard that from at least 40 or more borrowers. They usually say that about the time the enormity of the opportunity offered by a reverse mortgage sinks in. Here's a very personal story that includes that statement and a big realization. This is my own parents' story. Around 2011, my parents owned their home free and clear, but they needed access to some extra money. I took it on myself to look into their options. I investigated a cash-out refinance. That wasn't what they wanted, and they likely wouldn't qualify on retirement income. We looked at a HELOC, a home equity line of credit, and that was a better option, but the whole qualifying issue popped up again, and they would need to make a payment. We, the family, didn't have the excess resources to share with them. Then somewhere or somehow, I can't exactly recall, the idea of a reverse mortgage came up. Again, I took it on myself to look into their options. Believe it or not, it was hard to find information in 2011 or to locate a lender to talk with. Everyone I knew in the mortgage space either didn't know anything about a reverse or they were not interested in helping us. Finally, I found a guy. We sat down with him. We all liked the idea. My parents came out and made an appointment for reverse counseling. I came away with a job. I got my mortgage loan originator's license and started with a lender in the call center. For the next 8 years, my folks used their credit line to pay for things that were above and beyond their normal monthly cash flow. Things like new teeth for my dad and aging in place upgrades for their home. When they sold their home and paid off the balance of their reverse mortgage, they ended up with about the same amount of equity they had when they took out the reverse mortgage. Thank you, Denver housing market. Once my father and I were talking with a friend, and that person asked my dad what he thought about his reverse mortgage. And Dad said, "It wasn't too good to be true. It was like having my cake and eating it too." That is a real reverse mortgage story. Thanks for stopping, looking, and listening.